We've got another fun one for you today. This is a brand new trail. This is only my first time riding it. As you can see, we haven't had a lot of bikes on this yet, and it can be a little difficult to see where it goes. But as we get people riding it, it's gonna really evolve and take shape a bit more. But right now, you know, traction's good on it. It's kind of this like fresh forest floor kind of terrain, and most knobbies are gonna get pretty good grip here. Today, I'm also trying out the Dunlop AT81EX, and so far I gotta say, pretty impressed with this tire. It's probably on par with the IRC JX8, which is another favorite tire of mine. I don't know that the Dunlop is any better than the IRC, but it's pretty similar. It's a soft compound tire that still has a fairly aggressive knob pattern, which is exactly what I'm looking for, especially in this kind of terrain where you've got like this fresh forest floor. So it's kind of soft on top, but underneath is really slick roots. So you need that aggressive knob pattern, you need the soft compound. That's how you get good grip and good performance in these kind of conditions. Like I said, initial impressions are positive. As I get more time and more hours on this tire and I wear it out, I will put together more of a long-term review, and I'm gonna compare it to some of the other tires I've run as well. Little sneak preview, I just took off the Michelin Enduro Extreme that I was running for quite a while. And man, that tire is such a disappointment. I'll put together my full review on that tire as well as the AT81EX in an upcoming video. So be sure to subscribe and check that one out when it's ready. But yeah, that tire, that Michelin was definitely a surprise. So look for that to come out hopefully soon.
Nice. Whew. Nice. Come on. Whew, what a blast. This trail is amazing. Oh. That's going to be a tough corner. That wears in. Goes up and out. Goes down and out. Let's go down. Down's more fun. Oh, more down. Remember when we built this, it's held up pretty well. This is tight. Bumpy. Alright, where do we go? Nice. Nicely done. Real tight in here. Oh, I want to go right. And we're done. New trail.